best ideas are the simplest ones. Simplicity can't be an afterthought. It can't be bolted on at the end. It has to be at the forefront and woven in through the design and creation process. That's a core principle that SEL uses in many of its designs, and so that's why we chose to put simplicity at the forefront of our TiDL system. TiDL stands for Time Domain Link, and it's SEL's technology that allows us to place modules out into the field and using that link, bring that information back into the control house for relays or other IEDs. One of the ways we reduce complexity is by using point-to-point connections. No switches, zero network configurations, no settings for the field devices, and the same protection algorithms and schemes that a user of a 400 series is already familiar with. You literally plug in the cables and it begins working. For performance, we take two hardware platforms in the Axion I/O modules and the 400 series relays. On the Axion I/O modules, you have the scalable modular platform that's able to sample data at 24 kilohertz and bring that into the relay. On the relay side, you have the proven technology of the 400 series protection algorithms that operate at sub-cycle speeds. We achieve security through simplicity.
Because of the non-routable protocol and the direct fiber connections between field modules and the relay in the control house, there's no need for switches or routers. There's no clocks in the TiDL system, so there's no reliance on external time. It's a simpler solution, and then there's the other benefit of adding safety to that. When you're bringing in all that copper cabling, that represents very high voltages and currents that are now in the control house. When you go to a fiber optic solution, you keep all of those high voltages and currents out in the substation yard. You bring the data in over fiber optics. So the folks working in those substations now have a much safer environment with those high voltages and currents removed from the control house. The TiDL solution delivers simplicity, performance, and security. With TiDL, you can achieve your digital substation needs in the simplest way possible.